In this video, I'll be covering BinTrac Vision Mobile, an easy-to-use smartphone-based companion to the standard BinTrac Vision website. BinTrac Vision Mobile is included for free with your subscription to BinTrac Vision and is not available separately. It provides at-a-glance information of current feed levels, fill events, usage history, and more. To access BinTrac Vision Mobile, open your device's browser and navigate to mobile.bintrac.com. At this time, you may wish to add BinTrac Vision Mobile to your device's home screen for easy access. While this process varies by device and/or browser, if you're using Google Chrome, simply tap the three dots in the upper right and select Add to Home Screen. Follow the remaining prompts to add a quick launch icon on your device's home screen. To log in, use your credentials from BinTrac Vision and click Sign In. The screen will display all of the sites to which you have access. Simply scroll up or down to view the entire list of sites. The icons showing on the right for some sites indicate the number of barns that currently have conditions. Yellow means there are an estimated 2 to 3 days of feed remaining, and red indicates an estimate of less than 2 days of feed remaining. These estimates are based on a rolling 24 hours of feed usage in relation to the current hour. BinTrac Vision Mobile mirrors the hierarchy that is used in BinTrac Vision. Tap on a site to go to the barn level view. Swiping left or right, or using the black arrows in the header, will cycle through each site. You can also select a different site from the drop-down menu. The values for each barn relate to the total of all bins under that barn and are shown in tons. Depending on the resolution and/or orientation of your smartphone, you may need to tap the three dots on the right to expand all of the details. Usage indicates usage over the last 24 hours. Level shows the current weight in the bins. Bins details the number of bins assigned to the barn. Full is the percentage the combined bins are to full based on the capacity listed in BinTrac Vision. Empty indicates the estimated number of days until the bins are empty based on a rolling 24 hours of feed usage in relation to the current hour. Cap shows the maximum total capacity that all bins under the currently selected barn can store based on the capacity listed in BinTrac Vision. Finally, fill shows the amount of material added to all bins under the currently selected barn the last time there was a fill event. Tapping on a barn will take you to the bin level view. Here you'll be able to see the details of each bin connected to the currently selected barn. Again, the values are shown in tons, and swiping left or right, or using the black arrows in the header, will cycle through each barn. You can also select a different barn from the drop-down menu. At the top of the screen, you'll see a visual representation of the bins under the currently selected barn, which shows the bin's name, approximate fill level, and the date and time the bin's level was last refreshed in BinTrac Vision. The graphic under the bins indicates that these bins are set up in tandem. Further down, you'll see the detail for each bin as well as the total for all bins shown. The headers for empty, full, level, usage, cap, and fill all have the same meaning as they do at barn level, but on this screen are referring to the individual bin versus the entire barn as explained previously. This screen will also allow you to view the date of the last fill event. Scrolling down further will show graphs that represent the last 7 days of history for each bin. Looking at the legend, you'll see that there are graphs for each bin's level over time, with the shaded area showing the level of all bins in the current graph, as well as 24-hour average usage and 2-day rolling average usage. To see more detail, tap on a line in the graph. The level, time, and date will show. If you tap and drag your finger, you can move forward and backward over time for the currently selected line. At any time, clicking on the menu in the upper right and selecting Home will take you back to the top level. This menu also provides an option to sign out of BinTrac Vision Mobile.